So, ready na kami makinig sa recap. Sir.
Okay, our recap for yesterday's discussion is the continuation of our operational cases. First of all, we talked about the different kinds of electrical safety wherein we recognize the hazard of working with electricity. So it is said that although electricity is good for mankind, it has its own hazard like yung electricity na nakapatay pag hindi na paginatan. Pangalawa is the discussion on the machine safety. Although we use machine for our productivity kasi nakakapadali ng trabaho natin, pero meron ito hazard because machine cannot be touched and it can cause injuries and death fatalities happen. Then after that, we also discuss about our PPE, which recognize as the last defense against injury. So sa PPE natin, we discuss about yung apparel, mga safety gadgets na sinusuot natin para ma-protect natin yung mga inherent na mga hazard na nakatrabaho natin na hindi maaaring maiwasan dahil hindi nasama sa engineering control or management control. Kaya yung mga individual hazard ay pwede siyang maiwasan sa pamagitan ng paggamit ng PPE. Then after that one, sa hapon, we discuss about the safety inspection wherein as part of our duty as safety officer, tayo po yung namamahala nag-identify ng mga hazard area wherein kung ano yung ma-identify ng hazard area, ang unang nagawa natin is that we try to remove the hazard. Pag hindi ma-remove dahil iniinit siya, so we try to manage by providing mga guard, mga safety apparel, saka iba pa. At then after that one, kung merong hindi maiwasan ng mga accident na nangyari, ito gagawin ito ng mga accident report para sa susunod na panahon para maiwasan ulit ang maiwasan ulit ang accident occurrence, no? Saka dito, we have talked about paano pagawa ng accident report, saka yung mga importance ng mga item na para maintindihan ang lahat, para yung occurrence ng accident na hindi maging ulit.
Thank you, Manny. Then, recap na siya.